Exodus 20 verse 5 and Exodus 34 verse 7 says, I will visit the iniquity of the fathers unto the third and fourth generation. And you might wonder, how is that fair? How does that sound right? Well, because of the things that we teach our children. Juvenile delinquency is a direct result of adult delinquency. The reason we have hate, disdain for certain groups of people, we call it classism or racism and things of that sort, is primarily because of the things that we teach our children at home. God created us with love in our hearts, but then we teach other things. And because of that, the third and fourth generation suffers from the delinquencies and the iniquities of the fathers and mothers. That's how. So be careful.